Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So far we have created and animated our logo layers, text layers, and we have also added shadow effect and background color to our background layer. Now it is time to export this layer. So go to file and click on export, then media, and you will see an export dialog box open up. You can select the location where you want to export. You can change the format and preset option, and selecting this folder, project to folder, and then click on export. You can change these sliders to reduce the size of or reduce the length of your export. If you want to export a part of this video, you can reduce the size here, or if you want full video, you can let it be like that. Premiere Pro exports complete workspace, so you need to keep in mind, if your logo animation is done in half workspace, then half of the exported video will contain black portion. So we have to reduce the workspace to the part where your video ends.